We're at Rosecrance Behavioral Health today with Dr. Raymond Garcia, Chief Medical Officer. Thanks so much for having us here.
Thank you for coming, Michelle.
It's a beautiful, giant campus. I almost was like, where are we going when we're driving here? Driving through a bunch of beautiful areas to get here. Tell me a little bit about this place.
So Rosecrance is overall, we're a comprehensive behavioral health company. We provide hope, help, and recovery for children, adolescents, adults, families, providing whole health behavioral care. So we're treating mental health issues, we're treating substance use disorders, we provide residential treatment, intensive outpatient treatment, individual therapy, group therapy. We even have recovery homes for people who need that extended support.
Sure, and this is not the only campus in Rockford.
Absolutely not. We have 2 residential facilities in Rockford, as well as multiple outpatient sites, and the recovery homes, as well as supported living situations.
How long have you guys been here?
Rosecrance has been around since 1916 is when it was founded.
Started
as an orphanage, but we have evolved to serve the needs of the community and now beyond.
So one of the things that is really being talked about a lot in the world today, fentanyl and the dangers of that. Tell me why that's important here.
Well, fentanyl is highly potent, highly addictive. It is 100 times more potent than morphine, 50 times more potent than heroin. So that makes it very dangerous in terms of the risk for overdose. It's probably the #1 cause for overdoses in the United States today. And it also makes it very highly addictive, and it is being used as an adulterant, as an additive to a lot of other substances that people use.
How long has this been going on?
Well, it's been going on for a few years now, but it's really escalated probably within the last 3 to 5 years, at least since the pandemic, even if not a little bit before.
Sure. So what can we do as a community to address this problem?
Well, first of all, I think it's important to educate the community about the crisis to begin with, that it's out there, to educate people about the dangers, certainly, especially because it is being added to so many other things, and people may not be aware that they're using this stuff. And then to educate them about the resources that are available, resources like Rosecrance. There is help available, that recovery is possible and the treatment works.
Yeah, what are other challenges that you guys are addressing here?
Well, alcohol is still the #1 substance abuse, and that is still the #1 substance use disorder that we treat. So that still presents as a major challenge because of all the, public health and, health consequences, overall health consequences of alcoholism. And then, of course, with marijuana becoming legalized, people are using it more and more freely.
Sure.
And that doesn't make it safer.
Right.
It's legal, but it's still addictive. It still has negative consequences.
So the Rosecrance Griffin Williamson campus. Tell me a little bit about what is happening here and any updates you have.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, we have evolved. This campus started out as a campus primarily for adolescents, a residential treatment center for adolescents. But within the past about a year now, we have also added services for adults because we saw the expanding need for adult services. So we are now successfully integrating that level of care as well.
So if anyone needs more information, wants to reach out to Rosecrance, whether they're someone who needs care themselves or a family member, what's the best avenue to do that?
We have a website, rosecrance.org, that lists all the different kinds of services that we provide and how to reach those different kinds of services. But also, if that's difficult to do, you can talk to your pastor, talk to your primary care physician, talk to a nurse, talk to a friend, who can help you pick up the phone. Just somebody that can help you reach out for those services.
Spirit Day is next. We're making Witch's Brew cocktails, and we'll tell you all about the bash for the music. We'll be right back.